Hello and welcome back to Norfolk Fords. Today I am inside the boiler burn chamber. It's currently a little bit warm in here. It was shut down yesterday so we could do some work today, and we're having the grates up that I mentioned in a previous video. Today we have Luke helping us out. What we're doing at the minute is we are removing these grate pieces because they're worn up. They're still very warm, so I'll put my glove back on. You can just see how warm these are, especially if Luke passes me a new one. Luke, could you pass me a new one, please?
Hey?
Can you pass me a new one, please, mate? There we go. If we do a side-by-side comparison, see how warm these are. But I should think these haven't been changed. Some of these may be the originals. I think a few have been changed every now and again. You can see these ones here are even worse. So you can see there's a wearing surface there which has definitely gone down. Some of these could be reused, some of these I think not. If you come up the back here, you actually see how it works. So we've got this top platform which moves. This is a unvented one, so it's solid. And of course, this being the top one, it's not actually had a lot of wear to it. I will inspect these a little bit more off camera, but they look pretty damn good, so they may be left alone. But the way you do it is you have to crowbar them up out the way, and then this lot lifts from the back, and you've got a rod that links them all together. You see what I mean. So that's how you get them apart. The first one was an absolute pain, but now we've got one row out, you can just get behind them and lift them all up. And you can see where they've been at the side, there's a lip there. It's all very cool. Of course, normally this room is cooking away at about 900 degrees. And there's where the pusher comes in. So yeah, they sit their U section. This is a fixed row, this is a moving row. So that moves on a hydraulic ram and then works like a 2P machine onto the rows. So I think we'll call that one there. A nice quick short video showing off all the rubbish we have to do. See you later, Luke.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, subscribe for more and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.